Yes, good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to do headers and footers and how to put in page numbers. Okay, first we're going to go to the Insert tab. We go up here, we click on the Insert tab, and then as you scroll across the top, you'll see headers, footers, and page numbers. So what we'll do is we'll start with the headers first. So you go to the headers, and you click the down arrow. At this point, you'll have drop downs. And here you have many choices as far as what type of header that you want to put in, as far as titles, the name of the document, and such. So what we'll do is we'll scroll down here, and we will go to the cubicles even page, and we'll click on it. And as you see, up pops the document title, the type of the document subtitle, and then the user, which would be yourself. So I've chose to put my header in. Okay, and then we're going to come down and we're going to click on to the document subtitle. Come down here to the user and we click on it. My apologies. Okay, you put your name in. Okay, and now before we click out of this, what you can do is you can change this to any font or any type of script that you choose. I'm going to choose Times Roman, New Times Roman, excuse me, and I'm going to go to a 12 font. So what you do is you take your cursor, take your cursor, okay, we'll highlight what you need, and when you do that, you'll see a box pop up, which will give you options, the type of a font and the type of script. Now what I do, so I don't lose that box, is I will choose the size font first. In this case, we're going to use the 12 font. And then we're going to go up here to the script type, and I'm going to click Times New Roman. And as you can see, and then I'm going to go down here, the one that didn't highlight, and highlight it, and do the same thing. And we go here and we change the script, and there we have what we have our heading and the font size and the script. And then you come down below the line, the blue dotted line here, and just double click, left double click. Now you have your heading. Okay. Now what I'm going to show you this time is I'm going to show you how to put page numbers, and I'm going to show you both top and bottom. I will come back to doing the bottom header, but I want to jump over to the page number. So again, we're going to go to our Insert tab, click on it, and we'll go over to page number. We click on the down arrow, and then we have top of page, bottom of page. As you can see, the many options you have. I'm going to go to start with the top of page, and then I'm going to come down to plain number 3. That's generally a common use one for papers. So I will click on it. And as you see, the number 1 comes up. And what you're going to do at this point, you can either type your last name, or you can type your initials, or you can type your full name. It is totally up to you. I am going to use my initials. And I'm going to capitalize it, so R-A-H. Then I'm going to space it, and then I'm going to come back, and I'm going to highlight this. And again, I'll have a box that will come up that will offer me different fonts and different script. And again, I will go to the fonts first, and I will click on the font size. Now for the headings, I choose to go to a lesser number so it doesn't outshine your work. I generally either go 9 or 10. I'm going to go 9 this time. As you can see, the font size got smaller. And now I'm going to go to the script type, and I'm going to click onto my Times New Roman, which is probably the most used typescript as far as doing college papers. Now we have that, and then I'm going to come down here below, and I'm going to double left click. Now I'm out of it. Now I'm going to do a few sentences here just to show you what happens by using this type of pagination. Alright, so just for fun. Okay. Try that again. Please bear with me. Getting goofy. My daughter's sitting next to me asking me what I'm doing. I'm not typing. There is method to my madness, so please bear with me. Again, please bear with me. There is method to my madness here. There you go. Now if you can see, the page number went automatically to page 2. And each consecutive page, the numbers will change 1, 2, 3, 4 in succession until how many pages you have. Okay, now for my final attempt here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do a footer, which basically is just doing the header but to the foot of the page. We go back, we click Insert, and we go to Footer. We click on the arrow for footer, and then we pick whatever kind of footer we want. So let's scroll down, and I think what I'm going to do, we will have one more session as far as the pagination for the bottom too. Okay. And what we're going to do here is hang on a second, my cursor's not responding as quick as I'd like it. There we go. And we're going to click on Cubicles Even Page. Now what we have here, instead of type of company, we'll just type in the college. In this case, St. Peter's College. And then we'll just, instead of a whole address, I'm just going to type in Clearwater, Florida. Oops. Oops. Okay. And then we go up here above the dotted blue line, and we double left click. And then what we'll do is we'll scroll down. And as you can see, on the double pages, we have that. And we go up here, and we also have it on the top. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to put pages on the bottom too. And we go back to the Insert tab. We click on it, and we go to page number. Now we go to bottom of the page, and we'll go with this. We'll go with the plain number 3, just to keep in tune with what we did before as far as the upper page number. Again, here you have page 2, and what we're going to do in my case, I'm going to click my initials, space, highlight. Again, I like Times New Roman. And I'm going to go to the 9 font, like we did for the top. And come down here and change the script. And then once you have that, you go up here above the blue line and you double click on the left. And there you have it. So scroll down here and there's your page, your name and page number there. Oh, I didn't realize, I thought it would not keep that, but as you can see, it's kept the upper page number too. So there you have it. So that is how you put headers and footers and page numbers on your papers. I hope this has been helpful, and it's been my pleasure to give you this presentation. Again, I hope your weekend has gone well, and I look forward to seeing you at the coaching sessions. Have a great day.